Oh yeah, it's going down. I'm at the perch spot. Got some worms, you know what I'm saying? Got a little worms, a little perch paw. Going talking to perch, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting the perch, so when it's time for me to go get the big, cats, you know what I'm saying? I can have some nice sized bait to put out there, you know, for the big cats to come and get. So it's going down, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I actually got a couple perch in the bucket already, but I'm gonna let y'all see me actually hang the perch and get them. And then we're gonna hit the big spot and then it's going down. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. As soon as I throw it in, look at it. I'm talking about as soon as I throw it in. Man, they be hitting hard over here. This the original perch spot. Oh, there you go. Ah, he came off. Yeah, a little one though. We want some big ones. We want some nice ones. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Yeah, that's a nice there. Look at that. Look at that. That's a nice one now. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes, sir. Show y'all again. Look at that. That's a nice, pretty perch. He's gonna catch a bigger cat. A big cat. He's gonna get us a big one. Look, as soon as I throw it in. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Oh. 1. Oh my God. What was that? Bro, that was like monster perch right there, whatever it was. It was a monster. Whatever it was. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Let's go. There go nothing. Another nice one right there. Another nice one. Oh yeah, this cast ain't gonna take long at all. Dog, they burying it, bro. Every time. Every time. Every cast. I'm talking about every cask. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Go! Look. Look at that, man. Damn, I missed him. I missed him. Hey. Look at that. Yes, sir. I want some nice size ones so we can hang into some big monsters. And that's what I use when it's time to go fishing for big cats. Is big perch. Oh, he nice. Oh yeah, he nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There go another nice one. Right there. That's another nice one right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my God, he smacked it hard. He smacked it so hard. Did he take it? Nah, he took some of it though. Yeah. Yes, sir. Here, little guy, I gotta get him back. I don't want him. I just want the big one. As soon as it get in, 1, 2, 3, there you go. Bang. We going live perch. Live perch, first one. This is a spot over there across the way. I'm trying to land in, so. Here we go. That one perfect. Soon to go in. Soon to go in, I know it's get a good big fish. Normally I just catch one ASAP. There it goes. For a monster. Let's go. There you go. There you go. Is that him? Is that him? Is that him? Nice shot. Nice shot. I gotta go down there and get it. Hold on. Oh my God. Come on over here. Come on over here. Oh man. Oh my God. I gotta go down there and get him. Look at that pole, boy. Look at that pole bent up. Let's go. Dang. I guess I gotta climb straight down. I gotta go get him. Let's go! Let's go! Woo! Man! Ah! What's up? What's up? Big flathead, baby! Woo! Y'all seen it? I wasn't even here 5 minutes. Wasn't even here 5 minutes. Yeah! Let's go! Oh! Big flathead, baby. You see it. Yeah! Let's go! Oh! That's what he's screaming. Oh! Yeah! Let's go. What's up? What's up? What's happening? Big catties, big flathead, big, trying to get it all in the screen. Big flathead. Yes, sir. Let's go. Big flathead, baby. Woo! Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Whoa! Can't even see the tail. There it is. Look, it's to my waist, and its tail is on the ground. Come on, man. We want the big ones. We at it, baby. Let's go. Strong. Oh! I'm the boogeyman at the lake. I'm the boogeyman at the water. Let's go. We doing it. B.I.G. Let's go.